Did you know that millions of people use AI every day without even realizing it? Today, my students are asking the questions everyone wants answers about artificial intelligence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
On this channel, we make learning easy and enjoyable. Today, we're talking about a topic that is changing the world, artificial intelligence, or AI. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our educational content. Now, let's join our classroom and find out what students want to know about AI.
Teacher, what is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that enables computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, and answering questions. Teacher, where can we find AI in everyday life? That's a great question. We see it in phones, navigation, and even filtering spam. AI is everywhere. We use it in ChatGPT, Google Translate, voice assistants, online shopping recommendations, maps, and even social media. Can AI help students learn better? Yes, absolutely. It personalizes learning and provides instant feedback. Excellent question. Yes, AI can explain difficult topics, help with language learning, answer questions, and provide practice exercises. Yes, that's so cool. Can AI think like a human?
AI can process information and make decisions based on data, but it does not think or feel the way humans do.
The question is, can AI truly replace the value of a teacher?
What if it knows more?
What if it knows more? Good point, but remember, a teacher connects gaps. No, AI is a tool that supports learning, but teachers provide guidance, experience, creativity, and human interaction that technology cannot replace. Why is it important to learn about AI? Because AI is becoming part of many careers and industries. Understanding AI today can help us prepare for the opportunities of tomorrow. That's all for today's lesson. What questions do you have about AI? Leave them in the comments below. This full classroom tutorial is AI made, and I speaking to you now is also AI. Let me show you how I made it for free. Before we go, join our WhatsApp group so that you can know how to get 500 free credits on Google Flow AI and share what you know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. I'll show you how I created this AI powered classroom tutorial using ChatGPT and Google Flow AI. The first step was generating the lesson idea and script. I used ChatGPT to help me create a question and answer classroom session where students ask questions about artificial intelligence and the teacher provides simple explanation. As you can see on the screen, I'm giving ChatGPT a detailed instruction about the topic, the classroom setting, and the type of interaction I want between the teacher and the students. The more specific the prompt, the better the result. After getting the script, I move on to creating the visuals. For this, I use Google Flow AI. I generated prompt from the teacher for the teacher and the students, making sure to describe the appearance, action, and the classroom environment clearly. One important tip is to keep your character descriptions consistent throughout the video. This helps the AI create a scene that looks more natural and connected. Once the prompts were ready, I generated the video scenes and I reviewed the results. If a scene didn't look right, I simply adjusted the prompt and generated it again until I was satisfied. And that's how I created this AI classroom tutorial using ChatGPT and Google Flow AI. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.